Okay, called in for gutter cleaning, so here's our dilemma. We've got the back side. There's Yankee gutters on the building. These trees got to be cut away from the building. They're hitting the roof, but more importantly, we got no way to get there unless we come out of the dormer and rope off. But those are the rules have changed a lot. So that being said, a lift would be the perfect thing. We could actually get one of our 80-foot lifts here where this car is almost and reach probably just about over there. The lower gutters have got some sort of protection on, looks like a screen filter. But my guess would be their biggest problem's all on this back area here. I would have to confirm. And then of course we would coming out during the rain and checking it out is the easiest way with an umbrella to see if these are clogged up. You'll see water shooting over at the spouts. If so, if not, then they're clear. Let's go around the other side. And here's the driveway side. See, this isn't an issue here to get up there. The lower we can reach all that lower from there and tie off. That's not going to be a problem. It's the uppers that we'd have to figure out a way to get to and tie off from there. So I'll talk to the customer and see what they want to do.